Question number 10. There is an equilateral triangle ABC. Area of that equilateral triangle is given. It is 17,320.5 centimeters squared. Now, with each vertex of the triangle as center, they are drawing circles with radius equal to half of the side of this triangle. So, after drawing the triangle, you can see that there is an inner region there which is shaded here, yellow in color. They are asking us to find the area of that shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73205. Now, they have given area of the equilateral triangle. To find this area of the shaded region, if from the area of this triangle, if we can subtract area of all these three sectors, you can see that there is a sector here, there is a sector here, and there is another sector here. All these three sectors are going to be equal because their radius and angle are equal. We know that angle are equal because this is an equilateral triangle. All the angles are going to be 60 degree. And since they are equilateral triangle, all these sides are going to have the same measurement, the same radius. So if we can find the area of one sector, then multiply by 3, then we will get the total area of this all these three sectors. From the area of triangle, if you subtract that, the remaining area is going to be this shaded region. So first we have to find out what is the side of the equilateral triangle. They have given the area. You know that the formula to find the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a squared equal to 17320.5. They have asked us to substitute root 3 value as 1.73205 by 4 into a squared equal to 17320.5. Now taking these two numbers to that side, we will have a squared equal to 17320.5. 4 will go to the numerator and this number will go to the denominator, 1.73205. Now you can see that the decimal point in the numerator has moved. From here it has moved 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Then that means when you multiply this number by 1 followed by 4 zeros, which is 10,000, then you will get this number. So this is 10,000 times of 1.73205. Now we are having a squared equal to 10,000 into 4, which is nothing but 10,000 is 100 squared and this 4 is 2 squared. So when you take square root on both sides, our a value is going to be square root of 100 square is 100, square root of 2 squared is 2. Now we have found a value, that is the side of the triangle. It is 200 centimeter. Now radius is going to be half of the side of the triangle, so it is going to be 100 centimeter. Since we have found the radius, now we are going to find the area of one sector. So area of sector is given by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Substituting the values, we get our theta value is 60 degree. 60 by 360, substitute 3.14 into 100 squared. 1 time, 6 times. So when you multiply 314 into 100 into 100, we are going to have 31400 divided by 6 meter squared. Now we will find the area of the shaded region. Now area of shaded region is going to be equal to, from the area of triangle ABC, you are going to subtract the area of these sectors. Since all the three sector areas are going to be equal, we can just multiply area of one sector by 3. Substituting the value, we already know what is the area of that triangle ABC. It is given in the question. We add 17320.5 minus 3 times 31400 divided by 6. I have substituted area of one sector here. Now 1 time, this is 2 times. So when you divide by 2, you are going to have, so when you subtract both this, your final answer is going to be, we have 1 centimeter squared, and this is the area of the shaded region.